Hi, it's Graham from Finding Country in Rugby. Today I'm in a little village called Leah to show you this 3-stroke 4-bed cottage. It's deceptively quite a large cottage. It's got 4 double bedrooms, it's got an ensuite, got a fantastic family bathroom. The garden is absolutely stunning. It's got off-road parking and a detached garage. At the end of the video, if you're interested in anything, my telephone number and name and contact details will follow. Come on, let's go and have a look.